Okay, so hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So I know na hindi ako nagparamdam for 2 months kasi marami mga ganap, but today I am back with a very special video because I'm going to the worst reviewed makeup artist here in my city in London. Anyway guys, I'm actually very excited. At the same time, hindi naman ako nag-expect ng sobra, but who knows, baka yung yung result niya would be different. Kasi malay mo, worst reviewed siya, pero magaling pala. So, anyway, we'll all find out. So, as you can see, my face is super bare. Wala akong anything, kahit nga moisturizer. Wala, kasi natatakot ako na baka yung mga ginagamit nila is magkaroon ng, hindi magandang effect sa face ko. And ayoko naman magtalo-talo sila ng mga skincare products na ginagamit ko. So, I just have really bare face at the moment. And then, I'll just let them massacre my face. Pero who knows nga guys, huwag tayong ganun, huwag tayong judgmental. Baka yun naman talaga yung most review na yun sa face ko pala maganda, di ba? So, yes, tingnan natin kung magiging anong itsura ko pala. Bye! My dress is purple. I rarely have makeup on, so I don't know. I'm scared. I'm scared. You'll put foundation, right? Foundation, primer. That's nice. What is that? Primer. Wow, I look flawless now. What foundation is this? It's so nice. Wow. I'll just ask her to put my eyelash. Okay guys, hindi ko kinakaya yung aking lipstick. Tsaka yung eyeliner ko. Okay guys, I just went home from the salon and oh my god. Ganda ko. Pak. So, himayin natin to. Let's go one by one. First is foundation, guys. To be honest with you, I really like the foundation. So, she was able to get the right match of foundation for me. And that's acceptable. It's fine. Next is the eyebrows. Oh my God, see? Hindi sila bate, guys. Sila bate. And then for the eyeshadow, just like I said, I told them that I was gonna be wearing a purple dress for a wedding. So, nakita nyo naman guys, naghihingalo na yung aking purple eyeshadow. And then, pack na pack yung aking eyeliner. And then, they said, they're gonna put loads of mascara. As you can see guys, Sobrang daming mascarang nilagay nila dyan. Because they told me that they have to charge extra 12 pounds for false eyelashes, which I'm not willing to pay anymore because I know this is where it's gonna head. Kaya, no thanks. And then contour, it's there. You can see it there, but it's a little bit up there. And you can see a little bit of highlight going on, which is nice. It's a little bit natural. And then there's no contour on the nose, guys. I wanna scream a while ago kasi parang hindi ako lalagyan ng contour sa ilong. Don't you see? And then for the lips, which is my favorite part, look. The lip liner pa. Ang taas. Kasi nga, she noticed that I really have dry upper lip. So what I think she did was to just put my lip up or make my lips a little bit higher para matakpan yung dryness. But she doesn't have